Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with A to Z. Violet color.
It's time for fun on Learn with Mathi. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Phonics makes the alphabet sweet.
A.
Phonics, phonics,
A for
sing and say.
apple.
With Mathi every day. Letters and sounds
Brown color.
come along. Phonics fun in our ABC song. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat.
B. B for ball.
E is for egg. Phonics, phonics, sing and
Dark blue.
learn with Mathi every day.
C.
Letters and sounds come along. Phonics fun in our
C for cat.
song. A is for apple.
Blue.
A is for apple.
D for
B is for ball.
dog.
C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg.
Red color.
Phonics, phonics, sing and say. Learn with Mathi every day. Letters and sounds come along. F is for kite.
E for elephant.
H is for hat. I is for igloo.
Dark blue.
For jump. Phonics, phonics, sing and say.
F.
Learn with Mathi every day.
F for fish.
Along. K is for kite. L is for lion.
Violet.
M is for monkey.
G.
Nest. O is for octopus. Phonics, phonics, sing and
G for grapes.
Mathi every day. Letters and sounds come along.
Red.
U is for umbrella. V is
H. H for horse.
X is for box. Y is for yo-yo.
Blue color.
Z is for zebra. Phonics, phonics, sing and
I. I for ice cream.
letters and sounds come along.
Brown color.
In our ABC song,
J.
we sang on
J for juice.
Now you know them just like me. Shout hooray for Learn with Mathi.
Dark blue.
Learning happy and easy.
K.
Phonics, phonics, sing and say.
K for kite.
Every day, letters and sounds come along. Phonics fun in our ABC song.
Red.
Q is for kite.
L.
Lion. M is for monkey.
L for lamb.
N is for nest. O is for octopus. Phonics, phonics,
Dark blue.
and say. Learn with Mathi.
M.
Letters and sounds come along. K is for kite.
M for mango.
Lion. M is for monkey.
Violet.
N is for nest.
N.
Octopus. Phonics, phonics,
N for nut.
learn with Mathi every day. Letters and sounds come along.
Brown. O. O for octopus.
Hello friends, come sing with me. It's time for fun.
Violet.
With Mathi. Clap
P.
your hands and tap your feet. Phonics makes the
P
alphabet
for
sweet.
penguin.
Phonics, phonics, sing and say. Learn with Mathi every day.
Red.
Letters and sounds come along. Phonics fun in our ABC song.
Q for queen. Blue.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat.
R for rabbit.
E is for egg.
Dark blue.
Phonics, phonics,
S.
sing and say. Learn with Mathi every
S
day.
for sheep.
Letters and sounds come along. Phonics fun in our ABC song.
Violet color. T. T for tiger.
F is for fish. G is for goat.
Red.
H is for hat.
U.
I is for boo.
U for umbrella.
Phonics,
Violet.
phonics, sing and say.
V.
Learn with Mathi every day. Letters
V
and
for
sounds come
vulture.
along. Phonics fun in our ABC song.
W. This is blue color. W for whale.
Kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey.
Red. Red color.
N is for nest.
X.
O is for octopus.
X for X-ray.
Phonics, phonics, sing and say. Learn with Mathi
This is
every
brown.
day. Letters and
Y.
sounds come along. Phonics fun in our
Y
ABC
for
song. P is for
yogurt.
pig. Q is for queen. R
This is
for
violet. Violet color.
S is for sons.
Z.
T
Z.
for tiger.
Z for zebra.